Good morning, y'all. Welcome. It is the third day of Vlogmas. It's December 2nd, just after 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm thinking today's going to be a shortened day. You can see the big hole in my wall there where my oven and cabinet had been. One of those walls is going to have to come down to expand for our new wall unit oven. And so yeah, Pat's gonna be working on that for part of the morning. Then we have our Alabama football game at 3, and after that it's dinner and whatever. So it's probably gonna be fairly short here. I figured I'd go ahead and pop on. I should have a little bit of a video of y'all how dark it is outside and rainy, and so there was no walk this morning. It's just kind of a dreary day. I think it's gonna stay that way. So December in Alabama. I'm sitting here looking at the box that has my oven and microwave. This is gonna be a crazy vlog. All right, let's open these 2 Advents. I'll have 2 more this evening, hopefully. And after doing yesterday's 2 evening Advents, I realized it's going to get harder and harder for me to do them in the evenings, but I'm going to do everything I can to share those with you, or at least tell you in the morning what I had, or have a picture the following morning. So, this is a tough decision. Should I do the Arteza or should I do Nina's? I'm gonna delay gratification and I'll do Nina's second. So we'll start with the Arteza. Let me find day 2. That feels like when it comes apart, I can't tell if there's a magnet. I don't know. Anyway, day 2. Oh, day 2's right here, and this is a nice long one. All right, we're gonna try the punching. All right, and then tearing. Carefully. Oh, is that the end? Yeah, okay. Carefully. What do we got? Oh, what is that? This says it is a Tri-Marker black. Ooh, all right. Well, I might have to turn on the camera later and we'll try that out. It's a water-based ink marker, and it looks like one side is a brush tip. The rain just picked up some more. And the other side, it's an odd little tip there. So that we'll try that out later. That'll be fun. All right. And see, again, it has, I did not use the little ribbon. I've got to remember these little ribbons are in here. We'll put that back up for day 2. All right, that's super cool. Close that up, and we're gonna see what Nina's has. So she has another tag on here, and this has 2 on it. Look at the little like pine coney thing. All right, so this tag is a I can see like a Christmas tree shape on this with the same like bubble wrap as the note on yesterday's. And so there is a note, and it says vintage, just like mine, because I can't see if it says this paper that she wrote on. I'm not sure what it is. I can't tell if there's something written on the back or not. All right, well, I'm gonna pull that off because I do like that paper, and that could be, I'm trying to see if it says something else on the back, y'all. I can't tell, it just says every ... All right, so we've got the cute little pine cone. All right, all that stuff's gonna be kept. I'm gonna open this. No, Nina! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I was thinking about it yesterday. It is this little book on non-flowering plants. And y'all, do you see the mushroom on the front? She got this, her Friday Musings. She had gone thrifting with a friend and found 2 little books, a bird one and this one. And as she flipped through it, there's like a huge section on mushrooms, and when she flipped through it, I was like, oh my gosh, I've got to find one of these. And when I was at the estate sale yesterday, I was looking for one. Oh, and there's fern. Thank you, Nina. I'm so thrilled. I love it so much. Now I may have to make something today and cut, but I don't want to cut it out. It's gonna be so hard because some of these have like mushrooms on one side and then mushrooms on the other. Look at these purple ones. Oh, so thrilled. Thank you, Nina. Okay. Did I mention Pat has run out to go get us breakfast since we don't want to destroy the kitchen any more than it already is and make anything harder than it has to be. So he is out in this storm. I'm going to give y'all, Let's get to the day. I'm gonna maybe go play with some of these things real quick before and give y'all a look at how that art piece I was working, that canvas I was working on yesterday is coming together. So if you missed that, make sure to go check out yesterday's Vlogmas. And yeah, but it's set and it's looking really cool, though. I'm probably gonna paint over the whole thing with white. I don't know how that'll do. We'll see. I've actually got the doors to the craft room closed because Pat's doing all that banging. I've got y'all precarious on this tripod, but I wanted, you know what, I'm gonna put you down. How about that? Let me put you down, and if you hear banging, I may have to stop the video. Actually, there could be some banging as Pat dismantles. He's been banging on it all morning, and I'm trying to just stay busy and keep my ear out if he needs my help. I totally forgot to tell you what I sent Nina today. She will be sharing that on her Instagram, but I sent her some sewing notions. So she likes things on cards, and she'll probably have a picture or video, or I think she's doing reels on Instagram of what she got from me. So you should totally check that out. I was very nervous about it because after I had all that stuff selected and packaged to go to her, she decided to make some sewing notion packets for her Etsy shop. So this stuff is different from, not completely different, but a little different. It's some of the things that she personally like. Anyway, I encourage you to go check out the sewing notion packet she has in her Etsy shop. They look like a lot of fun. So if you need just a few tidbits of things that you don't want to go out and try to collect, those packets are going to be great. What else? I've been working on that canvas. I've added some, let's see if I can do this. I've added a little bit of paint too. I'm letting it dry because my gesso wasn't completely dry, so my brown paint is getting muddied. And then I remembered Care December starts on the 8th. This is a online free class, I think, from Everything Art, which is Kasha and Jamie, they do, and it's 15 days long this year. And so I haven't made my journal for it, and I think I'm going to use this that I picked up. Where did I get this? This might have been a free thing at the library. So it's a book on magic, which I thought was kind of great for Care December for the Christmas season, because you know the magic of Christmas. So I think I just got it wet on my desk. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. I'm less concerned about the pages inside anyway, but these could be for collage for something later. So we'll see. And I'm trying to decide if this is the size I want or not. I know I prefer to work in a smaller format, but I don't know. And I'm wondering if I want to spend time gathering papers or not, though I do have, yeah, we'll see. I'm just trying to keep myself distracted, but available to Pat, and until game time. Well, actually probably till lunchtime. It's just after 10:30 now, and I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna have for lunch. I've already told him we could have soup and grilled cheese, but again, he doesn't really want to mess up the kitchen any more than it is, because it's not festive. All right, I'm gonna go work on a journal canvas. I need to put up some other videos besides vlog videos, and I've got things on my computer, so I might work on that. I don't know. We'll see. It's a Saturday.